In this video, we are going to back up and restore a business, and we're going to do an import. For example, you may want to switch computers. If you want to import a business, you would just go to manager.io, download the program, install it, and then you'll walk through the solutions here for import. But the first thing we want to do is we want to back up. So click your business tab, find the business you want to back up. I'm going to do ABC Court, and we're going to back it up. And you have options here. You can everything that's associated with the account, which is attachments, email, and history, or you can just select what you want. But we're going, for the purposes of this video, we're going to do it all. And now it gives you a name of the corporation and a date. You might want to add backup to it or not. You may just realize if it's got a date on it, that means backup. And then you want to select the folder where you want it at. And we're going to stick it right there. Okay, so now that that's done, if you want to bring that business back in, you can add a business. Then in the dropout, select Import Business. Choose a file. And we're going to go to my backups folder. And we're going to select that. And we're going to import. And you see, there we have it. There it is. Like I said, if you are switching to a new computer, first go to manager.io, download and install the desktop version of the accounting software, and then just walk through these steps, and you'll have your business onto your new computer. And that's all there is to it. If this has helped you, how about leaving a like, subscribe, leave a comment. You will really help this channel out, and it costs you nothing. I thank you in advance, and you have a good day.